Hey guys, this is your logical artist Beenaa. Today we are going to make a pour and blow painting in multicolors without wasting a single drop of paint. The colors I use is acrylic colors of Fevicryl. All the colors are mentioned on the screen. So enjoy watching this beautiful pour painting. Now with the help of a straw, I will blow into the painting. There is no right or wrong when you blow, just blow wherever and in whichever pattern you want. I think my painting is complete now. I am loving the explosion of colors. I will remove the tapes now. I hope you all like my painting. Write your comments in the comment box below on how you feel about the painting. Look forward to my next video as many more are coming. Till then, bye bye.